I think I see Santa dashing through the snow. The only way that you can tell is with a mystical glow. And there is only one reindeer with that magical nose. It's the only thing that guides him as he travels the globe. And as you're dancing here underneath the mistletoe, you go ahead and grab your lover, you are pulling them close. And as you start to share this moment, you are feeling them more. With every single beat, your heart is making a part of your story, your glory. Every single moment is the memory grown. It's knowing how to keep the ones you love continuously glowing. And even snow can break the magic of two people proposing the love. It flies above the snowflake just like two turtle does, because there's nothing better to be sharing a beautiful song. It's amazing how we come together singing along as we snuggle by the fire, snow's beginning to fall. We all gather here together, share this wonderful moment. And I'm waking up this morning, it's a beautiful day. I see a couple snowflakes falling my way, and Santa's placing miracles onto the sleigh. All the children want to see is should I fly away. And every moment that we share is a magical feeling. And every single year we come together, celebrate, cheering. You start to see memories have a beautiful meaning. I mean, love him, this a crazy Christmas day. Today I saw a man, he had a corncob pipe with the black top hat. He was dressed in white, and all the children said he came to life during the night. I never thought of such a thing would be a beautiful sight, to see the look in their eyes while bringing frosted delight. A moment frozen in time that left me here with a smile. It made me think about the stories I was told as a child, when I would go to grandma's house, sitting down by the fire, as we start this little journey down memory lane. These are the special kind of memories that will never be fading. And I remember waiting patiently in front of the chimney to be the first and only one to ever finally see him. And that one year came, we were face to face. I was getting ready to set his cookies onto a plate, and I remembered what he said to me on that memorable day. Don't you be afraid to share the joy of Christmas today. So I'm waking up this morning, it's a beautiful day. I see a couple snowflakes falling my way, and Santa's placing miracles onto the sleigh. All the children want to see is should I fly away. And every moment that we share is a magical feeling. And every single year we come together, celebrate, cheering. You start to see memories have a beautiful meaning. I am loving this amazing Christmas day today. So today we come together, it doesn't matter the weather, to celebrate the birth of Christ, even out in the desert. And this is definitely a part of history that we'll always remember, for this is something that I never really considered when I was little. Reading scriptures, for the Bible instills us, for every single part of life is a lesson that builds us. And Jesus wanted us to know that he will always be with us, for we have to go and figure out the faith that's within us and taste the meaning of Christmas. And there's a wish on that gives us, and there is something we're missing. He is certainly listening. I'm wishing all of those in heaven could be sharing this with us, even though they aren't here. I know the spirits are with us, with every gift that we share, with every laugh that we hear. It doesn't matter where we go, I know they're definitely near. So there's the holiday cheers, there falls a holiday tear, but the memories keep on going every holiday year. So I'm waking up this morning, it's a beautiful day. I see a couple snowflakes falling my way, and Santa's placing miracles onto the sleigh. All the children want to see is should I fly away. And every moment that we share is a magical feeling. And every single year we come together, celebrate, cheering. We start to see memories have a beautiful meaning. I am loving this amazing Christmas day today.